preparing for my dad's 80th birthday and doing balloons. Hello, I'm gonna go higher on the step. Hello. Oh, blocked by the banister. Hello, there I am. So what if you have blowing up balloons, which by the way, we got by mistake and has number 1 written on it instead of 80. Nothing like tequila at 12:54 a.m. Where's the camera? This banister is in the way. All right, tequila breath. Blowing the balloon. If I let this go, will it smell like tequila in my face? The answer is no. This is a stupid experiment. Happy birthday to my dad. When you watch this, you will see what we're doing. You will see what we're doing. I have to delay posting this vlog.